Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about APTARGROUP Inc. Annual Report. APTARGROUP Inc. offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various markets. The company's primary focus areas include drug delivery, consumer product dispensing, and active material science solutions. In the pharmaceutical market, APTARGROUP provides dispensing pumps, fine mist pumps, lotion pumps, aerosol valves, and continuous spray and metered dose valves. In addition to pharmaceutical solutions, the company also caters to the beauty and personal care markets with its range of products and services. These include closures, elastomeric primary packaging components, active material science solutions, and digital health solutions. The company's offerings are not limited to these markets alone. It also provides solutions for fragrance, facial skincare, color cosmetics, home care, and food and beverage industries. APTARGROUP operates through three segments: pharma, beauty, and closures. Its products and services are sold in various regions across the globe, including Asia, Europe, Latin America, and North America. With its extensive range of solutions, APTARGROUP has established itself as a leading provider of innovative packaging and dispensing systems for the consumer goods industry. APTARGROUP Inc. ATR experienced a slight stock price drop of around -5% in the past year. The company's financial performance presented mixed results that could have contributed to overall stock fluctuation. In the first quarter of 2025, APTARGROUP reported a decrease in sales and net income compared to the prior year, which may have put downward pressure on the stock. However, the second quarter of 2025 saw positive growth with increased sales, net income, and EPS, along with an expanded adjusted EBITDA margin. This likely had a positive effect on the stock. The third quarter also offered solid performance and a positive outlook for Q4 2025. Despite these positives, the fourth quarter and annual results of 2025 showed some pressure on profitability metrics, including a decrease in net income and EPS compared to the previous year. Additionally, APTARGROUP issued a cautious outlook for the first quarter of 2026, which may have contributed to a longer-term negative sentiment despite some immediate positive reactions to revenue beats. The overall modest decline in APTARGROUP's stock price over the past year suggests that the accumulated impact of factors such as declining reported net income and profitability pressures likely contributed to this drop. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline in APTAR's business can be attributed to several key factors. On one hand, the company has seen revenue increases in its Beauty Plus Home segment, with a notable 6% rise. This growth is expected to continue, driven by innovation and digital transformation efforts. In contrast, the Food Plus Beverage segment has experienced a more modest 3% increase in revenue. Meanwhile, the Pharma segment has reported a decline of 2% in revenue. These divergent trends highlight the varying performance across different business segments within APTAR. The financial performance of a company underwent significant changes between 2024 and 2025. Net income decreased by 10% from $243 million in 2024 to $596 million in 2025, primarily due to reclassifications from accumulated other comprehensive income. This change was influenced by the impact of derivative instruments not designated as hedging instruments on the consolidated statements of income. Profit margins were also affected by various factors, although the exact change is not explicitly stated. The company's foreign exchange risk management policy and hedging activities had a notable impact on its results of operations. These changes highlight the complexities of financial reporting and the need for careful analysis to understand the underlying reasons behind fluctuations in net income and profit margins. The company's free cash flow has experienced a decline of 10% compared to the previous year, resulting in a figure of $243 million. This decrease indicates that the company may be struggling to generate sufficient operating cash flow, which could have implications for its financial stability and future growth prospects. The company's performance across various segments and regions has been mixed. On a positive note, the pharma and food plus beverage sectors have shown significant growth, with revenue increases of 7% and 5% respectively. These gains can be attributed to strong demand for packaging solutions in the pharma sector and growth in the food and beverage segments. In contrast, the Beauty Plus Home segment has experienced a decline in revenue, down by 1%. This downturn is primarily due to lower sales in the beauty segment. The non-US GAAP measures also indicate a modest improvement, with adjusted EBITDA up 4% from 2024 and adjusted earnings per share up 3% from 2024. Overall, while some segments have performed well, others have struggled, highlighting areas for improvement. Management's outlook on company strategy. The management of Aptar Group is focused on driving revenue growth through its various segments, with notable increases in Aptar Beauty plus Home and Aptar Food plus Beverage. To achieve this goal, the company has implemented cost savings initiatives to optimize operations and invested strategically in digital transformation and innovation. In addition to revenue growth, management has also taken steps to mitigate risks associated with foreign exchange fluctuations by implementing a foreign exchange risk management policy. This proactive approach ensures that non-functional currency-denominated transactions are protected from adverse changes in exchange rates. Furthermore, the company has entered into a 7-year interest rate swap to effectively hedge its debt exposure, providing stability and predictability in its financial obligations. The recent acquisition of a majority stake in BTY is also expected to contribute positively to the company's growth prospects, as management continues to explore opportunities for expansion and improvement. Aptar has made significant investments through acquisitions. One notable example is its purchase of a majority stake in BTY, acquiring 80% of the company for $99 million on July 28, 2025. This acquisition demonstrates Aptar's strategic expansion efforts. In addition to this major acquisition, Aptar also holds a minority investment in Goldrain, owning 40% of the company. However, it is unclear whether this represents a new investment or an existing stake acquired through another means. Aptar has not engaged in any divestitures, according to the available information. The company's focus on acquiring and expanding its portfolio suggests a growth-oriented strategy. That concludes the financial summary for Aptar Group Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.